Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a couple of watch faces that I think are worthy of a download. So stay tuned, the review is coming right up. Welcome back to another video, and today we got a couple of awesome watch faces to check out by my man DW. And you know DW, he always does his thing, and this watch face is no exception. Now the name of the watch face is called DW38. I'm thinking DW got down on this one, and in always on mode. What I like about this one is that you get a whole total different look from what you would see when the watch face is on. You're going to get a digital readout, information on your date. Also, you get battery info down at the bottom. Now, when the watch face is on, I thought this watch face was pretty much unique in its own right. I like the way it gave you the layers of information. Also, I like what's going on with the index that's going around the bezel of the watch. Maybe it's the color blue. Who knows, right? So up at the top, what you're going to get is your date. You're also going to get the days of the week and the year. Now, you are going to get the best of both worlds, analog and digital, which is a good look. You're also going to get your step status info in that same box along with animated seconds. You come down to the very last layer, you're going to get your step status info like your heart rate, steps, miles walked or ran. Also, you get your battery percentage down at the bottom, and you can make a phone call. And if you tap on the moon phase right here, you can go in and get info on your weather. So I'm thinking DW definitely got down on this one. He shot this one right out of the park, you all. And we're not done yet. We got another thing to take a look at. And if you want, you can change the theme a little bit. Just double tap. You get 3 to choose from. This blue looks really, really nice. What do you think? All right, we'll go to the next one. Now, this one is a little bit more blacked out than the other one, but it looks good. And you can put it right back where it was. Pick and choose. I like it. I thought DW definitely got down on this one. But the question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? All right, you all, let's go on and check out watch face number 2. Last but not least, watch face number 2. Now, this one is called DW37. I think DW knocked this one way out of the park. I like the design. I like the difference in the look. And in the always on mode, you get a different look than what you're going to get when the watch face is on. And that looks good as well. Now, when the watch face is on, you get a whole host of information. First, you get step status info like floors climbed, calories burned, miles walked or ran. You also get goal completed, so far your steps. You get battery info down at the bottom as well. You also get the day of the week, which I love the way that it gets spelled out. And you get your digital time on this one. And you get your day and your date. Now, up at the top, you're going to get your heart rate information as well. And this is the interactive watch face. So if you tap on certain places on the watch, it will take you into a shortcut. That's nice right there, your settings. You can tap right here, get more info on your calories and your steps. Up here, you get your heart rate info. I'm thinking DW definitely know he did his thing with this one. Also right here, I'm not going to tap on it. You can go in and you can also make a phone call from there. Now, I like the way this glows at the bottom. I thought that added really nice character to the watch face, made it stand out. And also, double tap right here, you can change the color theme of the watch face. Very nice. I thought DW got down on this one. He gives you quite a few to choose from. Just double tap and change the color. Not bad, right? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face and if you would download it. Now, note this. Both of these watch faces are definitely affordable in the Gear Manager store. Go check it out and download. All right, you all, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.